Hello everyone, in today's video, we will talk about the Wishpond affiliate program. Wishpond is a marketing automation platform designed to help businesses grow their online presence. It is easy to use and focuses on lead generation and marketing. Wishpond has an amazing affiliation program. By joining in, you can earn a recurring commission of 30% for every customer that signs up using your referral link. If you are a website owner, blogger, or online marketing expert, you can make money showing marketers how to create, optimize, and promote online marketing campaigns. It's free to join and you get consistent payouts. You can easily track your earnings through First Promoter. Its functioning is simple. You get a unique link on joining. When they get visitors through your link and they purchase a subscription, you get paid 30% commission on them. You get every time the user renews his or her subscription. There are more perks to joining the Wishpond affiliate program. You get a First Promoter dashboard, which allows you to track your earnings. You even get a dedicated affiliate manager who helps you promote Wishpond and come up with different strategies for you to get the most out of your referrals. You even get an introductory Wishpond account, affiliate landing pages, and many marketing assets which help you promote. There are no downsides to the affiliate program. The link to the affiliate program is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.